Welcome. You have incredible potential. It's time to unlock it. Believe in yourself, even when it's hard. You are stronger than you think. Life is full of challenges, but within you lies a wellspring of power. You can overcome anything. Join me on this journey to unleash your inner strength. Subscribe to Radiant Resolve today. Get inspired, stay motivated, achieve your dreams. Deep down, you are a champion. You have within you the strength, the patience, and the passion to reach for the stars and change the world. Every day is a new opportunity to prove to yourself that you are capable of achieving greatness. It all starts with a single step, a single decision to believe in yourself and your abilities. You have the power to achieve greatness. It's not just about physical strength or mental acuity, it's about the resilience to keep going when things get tough. It's about the determination to push through obstacles and the courage to face your fears head-on. Remember, every great achievement begins with the decision to try. Don't let fear hold you back. Embrace your potential. Fear is a natural part of the journey, but it doesn't have to define you. Instead, let it fuel your drive to succeed. Take a deep breath, gather your courage, and step forward with confidence. Each step you take brings you closer to your goals. Think of a time you succeeded. Remember that feeling? The joy, the pride, the sense of accomplishment? Hold on to that memory and let it remind you of what you're capable of. Success is not a one-time event, it's a habit. It's the result of consistent effort and unwavering belief in yourself. You can do it again. The path to success is rarely a straight line. There will be ups and downs, but each challenge you face is an opportunity to grow stronger and wiser. Keep your eyes on the prize and remember that every step forward, no matter how small, is progress. Every challenge is an opportunity for growth. Embrace the obstacles in your path as chances to learn and improve. Each hurdle you overcome builds your resilience and brings you one step closer to your goals. Remember, the greatest achievements often come from the greatest challenges. Doubt and fear are normal. It's okay to feel uncertain or scared. These emotions are part of the human experience, but don't let them paralyze you. Acknowledge your doubts, face your fears, and use them as motivation to keep moving forward. You are stronger than you think, but don't let them control you. You have the power to choose your response to fear and doubt. Instead of letting them hold you back, use them as fuel to propel you forward. Every time you push through your fears, you become stronger and more resilient. Believe in your ability to overcome any obstacle. You are capable of amazing things. Your potential is limitless. With hard work, dedication, and a positive mindset, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Celebrate your victories, no matter how small, and use them as stepping stones to greater success. You have the power to create the life you want. Subscribe to Radiant Resolve for daily motivation and support. Surround yourself with positivity and inspiration. Join a community of like-minded individuals who are all striving to be their best selves. Together, we can achieve more than we ever could alone. Let us be your source of encouragement and strength. Let's unleash your inner champion together. Together, we can break through barriers and reach new heights. Let's support each other on this journey to greatness. Remember, you are not alone. We are here to help you every step of the way. Let's make today the day you start living up to your full potential. Life throws curveballs. Sometimes these unexpected challenges can feel overwhelming, like a fast-moving baseball coming straight at you. In those moments, it's easy to feel shocked and unsure of how to react. But remember, it's not the curveball itself that defines you, but how you choose to respond to it. It's how you respond that matters. Picture an athlete training in the pouring rain, pushing through the discomfort and the cold. Or imagine someone in a race, facing hurdle after hurdle, yet refusing to give up. These individuals understand that adversity is a part of the journey, not the end of it. They know that each challenge is an opportunity to prove their resilience and determination. Every obstacle is a chance to learn and grow stronger. When you climb a steep mountain, every step is a test of your endurance and willpower. Lifting heavy weights in the gym isn't just about building muscle, it's about building character. Each struggle, each moment of doubt, is a lesson in perseverance. It's through these trials that we discover our true strength and potential. Think of Oprah Winfrey. She overcame incredible adversity to achieve her dreams. From a difficult childhood marked by poverty and abuse, she rose to become one of the most influential and successful figures in the world. Her story is a testament to the power of resilience and the human spirit. Oprah's journey wasn't easy, but she never let her circumstances define her. Instead, she used them as fuel to drive her forward. You have that same strength within you. When you look in the mirror, see the potential that lies within. Stand tall and proud, even in the face of challenges. Believe in your ability to overcome, to rise above, and to achieve greatness. Your journey may be tough, but it's also uniquely yours, filled with opportunities to grow and succeed. Don't give up when things get tough. Push through the pain. Remember the athlete who keeps running despite the grimace of pain on their face, or the person who refuses to quit during a grueling workout. These moments of struggle are where true growth happens. It's easy to give up, but pushing through the pain is what sets you apart. It's what builds resilience and fortitude. You'll come out stronger on the other side. Reaching the summit of a mountain, or completing a difficult task, brings a sense of accomplishment and joy. These victories, big or small, are proof of your strength and determination. They remind you that no matter how tough the journey, the reward is always worth it. Each challenge you overcome makes you stronger, more resilient, and more prepared for the next one. Radiant Resolve is here to support you. Surround yourself with a supportive community, friends who believe in you, and mentors who guide you. These relationships provide the encouragement and motivation you need to keep going. They remind you that you're not alone in your journey. Together, we can face any challenge and come out stronger. Subscribe for guidance and inspiration on your journey to success. Join our community and stay connected for more tips, stories, and inspiration. Let us be a part of your journey, providing the support and encouragement you need to achieve your dreams. Subscribe now and take the first step towards a brighter, more resilient future. You are stronger than you know. Dig deep and find your inner power. It's there, waiting to be unleashed. Think of a time you faced your fears. You did it. That experience made you stronger. Every challenge is a test. It reveals your resilience. You are capable of overcoming anything life throws your way. Join the Radiant Resolve community. Find support, share your story, and unlock your full potential. Life is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the ride. Embrace the ups and downs. They make you who you are. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are valuable lessons. Learn from them and keep moving forward. Celebrate your victories, big and small. Every step forward is a reason to celebrate. Subscribe to Radiant Resolve and let's celebrate your journey together. Section 6. Join the Radiant Resolve movement. You are not alone. Join a community of like-minded individuals, support each other, achieve greatness together. Radiant Resolve is more than just motivation. It's a movement of empowerment, growth, and success. Share your story. Inspire others. Let's create a world where everyone believes in their potential. Subscribe today and become part of the Radiant Resolve family. Section 7. You are unstoppable. This is your moment, your time to shine. Every step you take, every challenge you face, is a testament to your strength and resilience. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. Embrace every moment, every struggle, and every victory. You are on a path to greatness and nothing can stand in your way. You have the power within you to achieve anything you set your mind to. Believe in yourself. You are unstoppable. When you cross that finish line, it's not just a physical victory, it's a triumph of spirit. Climbing that steep hill, pushing your limits in the gym, these are not just actions, they are declarations of your unyielding will. Each step forward is a step towards your dreams, and each challenge overcome is a testament to your indomitable spirit. Don't let anyone tell you what you can or cannot do. The world is full of naysayers, but their words hold no power over you. You are the master of your destiny. When you shake your head in defiance, when you break through barriers, you are not just proving them wrong, you are proving yourself right. Obstacles are merely stepping stones on your path to success. Push past them with all your might, and let your determination be the force that drives you forward. You are capable of amazing things. Set your goals high, dream big. Whether you are an entrepreneur with a vision, an artist with a blank canvas, or a scientist with a hypothesis, your potential is limitless. Your ideas can change the world, your creativity can inspire millions, and your discoveries can pave the way for future generations. Don't be afraid to aim for the stars, because you have the power to reach them. And never, ever give up on yourself. There will be times when you fall, times when the weight seems too heavy, and times when the night feels too long. But remember, every fall is an opportunity to rise stronger, every weight lifted is a testament to your strength, and every late-night study session is a step closer to your dreams. Perseverance is the key to unlocking your true potential. Keep pushing, keep striving, and never lose faith in yourself. Radiant Resolve is here to support you every step of the way. You are not alone on this journey. With mentors to guide you, teammates to celebrate your victories, and friends to cheer you on, you have a support system that believes in you. Together, we can overcome any obstacle and achieve greatness. Lean on those who support you, and let their encouragement fuel your drive. Subscribe and let's make your dreams a reality. Join our community of dreamers and achievers. By subscribing, you are taking the first step towards a brighter future. Celebrate your victories, document your journey, and share your success with others. Together, we can create a world where dreams are not just imagined, but realized. Let's embark on this journey together and turn your aspirations into achievements. Section 8. Ignite your potential. The world needs your unique talents and abilities. Don't hold back. Ignite your potential and share your gifts with the world. What are you passionate about? What makes your heart sing? Go after it with everything you've got. The world is waiting for your brilliance. Don't be afraid to shine. Join Radiant Resolve and let's illuminate the world with your light. Section 9. Embrace your radiant resolve. You have the power to create an extraordinary life. Embrace your radiant resolve and make it happen. Believe in yourself. Take action. And never stop reaching for your dreams. The world is yours for the taking. Go out there and make it happen. Subscribe to Radiant Resolve and let's embark on this incredible journey together.